everybody, what's up and welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. So it's time, we're gonna start the channel. We're gonna start the build on the fucking turbo. We're gonna install the turbo now. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the head because I don't want to scratch it because I just got it done, as you guys saw. So then after that we're gonna go ahead and put in the headers, the turbo, and I don't know what else we might do today, but that'll be all for today. So anyways, enjoy this time lapse with me uninstalling and reinstalling everything. What's up, man?
Alright. You young worker?
Yeah.
Yeah. You work on other people's cars too? No. This is like a race car.
Yeah. Alright, so it did encounter a little problem. As I was doing this, I got the turbo put on. I haven't really got the nuts in there, but here's the wastegate. So it goes on no problem like that. The piping's right there, but then you got the AC line. So we can't do it like that because it just don't fit. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to make this work somehow, and I did not want to get into it with the AC line, but I'll figure it out. If anybody got any ideas, suggestions, I really don't want to take off this back off and re-weld it, because ideally, I mean, if we wanted to, this would have been the best bet getting the pipe to go down through here. That's a whole another 80, 180 or whatever, 90. This one, no problem. This way, the other way, best bet would be maybe this way, getting the pipe to go down through there. If not, through here, but there's no room really right there. So we're gonna put it like this. So, but we won't let that stop. Let's continue. Alright, you guys, that is it. That is it. It is installed. It is in there. Turbo, wastegate, headers. That's not fully on yet. I still have the. So I might have to get. Hold on, let this focus. Come on. So I'm about to get this. Cause I got one this size, thinking this size was the same. So I'm about to get god damn it, I forgot the fucking name. Forgot the name. This thing. I'm about to get one that size. So, but other than that, shit, it's in there, you guys. Look at that. It's coming out pretty good. So as you can see, I'm gonna go with the color scheme of black. I got black piping. I'm gonna get some. I'm probably gonna leave this like this. I'm not gonna paint it. I know you can paint these, but I'm not going to. I got headers. Leave them like that. That's gonna be black. But other stuff, what I can, barely make it black. But anyways, yeah. Well, anyways, you guys, that's it for that. Installing the turbo under 10 minutes. Technically not 10 minutes real time, but 10 minutes YouTube time. So I got it in. We're ready to go. Not ready to go, but we're ready to go on the series. I can't wait. I'm hella excited. You know, we're gonna be pushing some good power. Pop, pop, pop. Whoever wants to call out now, call it out in the comments. Put your name down. We'll run it once this is done. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.